Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your Vue JS project online for free. So let's go to the project directory. Now here you can see this is the basic Vue JS project. So to upload this, host it for free, we'll actually use Vercel. Vercel is really simple. Let me show you step by step. At first, go to the project directory. Here you can see and open cmd here, command prompt, and run here a command that is npm run wait. Okay, write this command, and here you will find a folder called dist. Now we need to actually upload this dist. Okay, so we have to go for the Vercel, and here you have to sign up through your Gmail account or any other account, and you have to create an account. Okay, and you have to go to the GitHub also, github.com. You have to actually log into your GitHub account, and then you have to actually create a repository. Click here in the profile, and you will find this option called repositories. So go to the repositories option, and here you will find the option called new. You can see, click here new, and we are going to give it a name, and we'll create the repository. Here we are going to upload all the files. So we're going to go to the project directory, and from here we are going to drag and drop all of them here. All right, now click here commit changes. So we have imported our project in a GitHub repository, right? Now let's go back to the Vercel, and here in the home page you will find this option called add new. Now select the project, and from here you have to select your GitHub account. I have already added my GitHub account here. You can see. In your case, you just have to add it. So click here add GitHub account and add the GitHub account, and you will find here all the repositories you have created. So here you can see just now, because we have just created. Okay, so test Vue project, and now I will click here import, and then once again we'll click here deploy, and here we go. Now we'll actually click here continue to dashboard, and here we go. If you look at the status, you can see that this is ready. Now we can actually click here in the domains. Here you can see domains. So we click here, and here you can see our project is live. So this is how actually you can host your Vue.js project for free using vercel.com. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.